Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can redeem the Roblox codes. So to do this, first you want to open a web browser and sign into your Roblox account where you want to redeem the code. Now you want to go to the Roblox redemption page by typing roblox.com/redeem into the address bar. You can also do this by clicking on the Roblox icon on the Roblox website and select on redeem Roblox codes. Next you want to enter your gift card or promo code or virtual add-in code into the redemption box. Now you want to read and accept the terms of use, gift card terms and condition, and privacy policy. And finally, click on the redeem button. Now wait for the confirmation message. If the code is valid, Roblox will show you that it has been successfully redeemed. Now if you redeem a gift card, the Robux or credit will be added to your account. If you redeem a promo code or virtual add-in code, the item will be added to your inventory. You can now use your Robux or access your new item in Roblox.